Have you heard of the concept of lead nurturing and then wondering what that means? No problem, I will be covering that in today's video. Hey, Mario Blanco here. So in today's video, I will be talking about what lead nurturing is in email marketing, and also will explain what the benefits are. I'll start with the core element in the lead nurturing process. Then I'll explain which is the first and key step you need to take before you can start nurturing your leads. And lastly, if you stick to the end of the video, I will be revealing the secret to nurture your leads faster and better. Lead nurturing is the process of connecting with your leads, connecting with the purpose of establishing a relationship and taking them to a position where they know you, they like you, and they trust you. And you do that using a core element, and the core element is value. So you share value with them, and that is what is going to create that close relationship between you and your leads. And normally the way that value is kind of transferred or conveyed to your leads is through a lead magnet. It can be a conversation, it can be an email sequence, but I think that a lead magnet is a very good element to use to share value with your leads. I'm curious, what kind of resource are you currently using to nurture your leads? Maybe you didn't know, but you were already nurturing your leads. You were doing something to attract them to you. Just let me know in the comments of the episode. That will help me understand how my content is helping you. So moving to the second topic I wanted to cover, I wanted to give you and explain what is the key step you need to take before you can start nurturing your leads. And that key step is understanding them. So you need to put yourself in a situation where you have a good understanding on who your leads, or let's say your future customer, is going to be. Because if you don't understand who that person is, and if you don't understand what they consider as value, how can you add value to them? So you need to put yourself in their shoes, and then you are in a good position to create value for them. How you do that? You do that by normally what many marketers do is they create a profile, what I call a dream customer profile. I have a free resource that you can use to do this very quick and with very little hassle. So if you go to the description of the video, you will find a link to my Dream Customer Discovery Pack. So the Dream Customer Discovery Pack will take you through a series of questions. It's using I'm very excited to share that with you. It's using a wizard. It's a tool, and I call a wizard. And when you have completed all the questions through the wizard, you will have a good understanding about what are your ideal customers' beliefs, values, fears, immediate needs, and you will be in a very good position to create value for him and nurture and create that relationship with him. And this will help you greatly to increase your conversions. Many email marketers struggle with conversions, and in most of the time it's just going through the process. When they get to know you, they get to understand that you care about them, and a trust relationship is created between you and them. Hey, if you find my content helpful, why not clicking on the subscribe button, and I will create more content like this for you. I'm releasing videos every single week. So now moving on to the last topic I wanted to cover. It's the secret to nurture your leads faster and better. Well, the secret is based on using a system. As simple as that. Is rather than doing that yourself and manually or personally doing that, use a system to do that. One of the ways I use myself is I use a lead magnet that I have in a landing page. So I have a specific landing page to deliver value through that, and the core element, and this is very central element to email marketing. The core element is the autoresponder. The autoresponder is the element that is going to be there 24 hours 7 365, and that's the reason why I'm saying when you have set up a system based on a landing page and you have an autoresponder capturing emails and talking to your leads and nurturing your leads, then you go through the process of nurturing them better and faster, because you might be inconsistent with your message. One day you might be not very focused, or you might be worried about something and you're not delivering your best message. But when you put that message and it's encapsulated and you put it in a landing page, or you put it in an email sequence, you have the first version of yourself embedded in that email sequence. So if you need help understanding the concept of landing page and the different elements, and you can how the autoresponder fits in that system, I have a book. I wrote this book a while ago. It became an Amazon bestseller, and there you will find all the elements of a landing page and how you can leverage all that to nurture your leads. So I'll drop in the video description, I will drop a link so you can get hold of my book. If you start taking action on these concepts and struggle with any step, just drop me a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you. I'll see you soon in the next episode. God bless.